Nokia N78 Disassembly. You will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2 and the SS100, SS148, SS149 and the SS159. Open the C cover. Insert the SS148 opening tool as shown. Slightly turn it clockwise into the shown positioning. Start unlocking the clips of the window assembly with the SS159 on both sides. Insert the SS149 tool in order to unlock the clips of the UI module assembly. Also on the opposite side. Gently pry open the clips of the window assembly. Also open the clips at the opposite side. Gently lift up and remove the window assembly. Gently pry open the clips at the shown side. Insert the SS93 into the recess and pry open the two clips. If the clips are released properly, the UI module assembly can be lifted up. Gently open the flex connector. Remove the opening tool by twisting counterclockwise. Insert the dental pick and lever. Open the clip at the upper and lower corner of the LCD. Lift up and flip over the LCD. Lever open the LCD flex connector. Unscrew these 5 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown. Remove these screws before continuing. Gently pry open the clips of the cover. Lever out the chassis assembly evenly. Disconnect the flex connector of the AV Flexi module. Lever out the AV Flexi module. Disconnect the connector of the side key Flexi. Lift out the engine module evenly. Use an appropriate soldering jig for camera removal to avoid mechanical stress to the PWB and the components. Lever out the antenna assembly. Lift out the DC connector. Gently pull out the side key flexi. Pry open the clips of the IHF holding a C. The keys can be pushed out easily.